If you like boots as much as I do, then you know how frustrating it can be to find a storage solution. Because let's face it, boots take up more storage space than anything else in our closets. And if you're space challenged like I am, this is a major problem. Well, guess what? I just found a product that you are going to love. It was just featured in InStyle magazine, and it is a simple yet affordable solution that only takes up 7 inches of your closet and lets you store up to 8 pairs of boots upright. How is that possible? Let's take a look. So let's start with the facts. The average pair of boots takes up about 8 inches of space. If you have just 6 pairs of boots, that's 4 feet of valuable real estate in your closet. So with Bootstax, those same 6 pair of boots are now hung vertically, one cascading over the other, and they take up just 7 inches of space in your closet. Now your biggest problem is going to be how to use all that extra storage space. The other thing that's great about Bootstax is that your boots are going to be stored upright the way they were intended to be stored. Without Bootstax, they're going to crease and they're not going to last nearly as long. Now the clips themselves are made with a special material that's strong enough to hold even your heavy boots, but it's gentle enough that it won't leave a mark. Now your set is going to come with 1 vertical rod and 4 hanger sets. And of course you can buy more hangers if you want to, because technically the rod is going to hold up to 8 pairs of boots. And it does work for any kind of boot, everything from ankle boot to mid-calf to over the knee. Bootstax is so simple, yet so smart. It has literally transformed my closet, and I have no doubt it is going to do the same for yours.